Roads. Not only have roads linked people and communities and fostered cultural and commercial ties throughout history, they have also been the lifelines that formed and developed civilizations. Pathways that caravans passed over arduously began to turn into modern roads, over which all kinds of vehicles have passed easily and comfortably from the early 20th century onwards. Without a doubt, the element providing this transformation was the start of the use of hot mix asphalt in road construction. Today, the top coatings of roads, highways, bridges, and airport runways are paved with hot mix asphalt. The highest quality hot mix asphalt is produced with Sigma asphalt plants in the most economical and eco-friendly way. Sigma asphalt plants are manufactured in the company's production facility that has an 11,000 square meter production area established in Ankara in 1992. Having gone operational as a result of intense R&D studies by Italian and Turkish engineers who have more than 30 years of experience in the field, Sigma produces fully automated asphalt plants that prepare excellent asphalt mixtures at the desired capacities, while consuming a minimum amount of fuel and complying with European environmental regulations. Reflecting the latest technology used in Europe, Sigma's production program features modular asphalt plants, compact asphalt plants, and mobile asphalt plants with hot mix production capacities from 80 to 340 tons per hour. Designating quality as its major priority, Sigma selects all critical components used in asphalt plants from amongst the top quality products of European and American manufacturers, each of which is a world leader in their field. With its qualified staff and advanced technical infrastructure, Sigma produces in accordance with European norms as it assures the quality of its products with quality control processes at every stage of production. Emerging through a combination of more than 3 decades of engineering experience, quality workmanship, and first-class materials, Sigma asphalt plants are also highlighted for their transportation and installation process advantages. With their modular structure designed to fit into standard containers, Sigma asphalt plants are carried more economically and assembled more easily. In addition to the superior performance of asphalt plants it produces, Sigma also guarantees customer satisfaction with its fast and economical after-sales services provided by its expert staff. By making research and development studies company policy, Sigma continuously develops its products by closely monitoring new technologies thanks to its expert engineering staff. Also, with its ISO 9001 certified total quality management system and the enterprise resource planning software it uses, Sigma provides customers with reliable products and professional services. Sigma. It is a global company providing high-level products and services around the world with expedient technical service provided to all its asphalt plants, operating with superior performance in many countries around the globe, from Kyrgyzstan to Oman, from Azerbaijan to Tanzania, and from Iraq to Nigeria. Having progressed, developed, and expanded non-stop since the day it was founded, Sigma shall continue to be an indispensable solution partner for its customers, as well as an innovative pioneer with its highly competitive products and customer-focused service approach. Sigma, the innovative pioneer of asphalt technology.